If you've ever wondered whether anyone really recovers from toilet anxiety, let me show you what that actually looks like. Not a theory, real people, real change. And it starts with something very simple, recognizing that it's possible.
Take Sarah. For years, she couldn't travel without knowing where the toilets were. She skipped breakfast before every social event and packed a bag of just-in-case items every time she left the house. It ruled her life. But it wasn't because she was weak. It was because her body had learned to expect danger. When Sarah started retraining her responses, it wasn't dramatic. It was steady. Small wins, like walking in public without scanning for the toilets, staying at the table just 5 minutes longer. The fear loop began to break. One day, she forgot to worry and realized she hadn't planned her route at all. Then there's James. He used to leave meetings constantly, always had a reason, but underneath, it was the same pattern. When he understood, it wasn't just in his head that his brain had learned a false alarm, things shifted. He doesn't think about toilets anymore. He thinks about his work, his plans, his life.
When this shift happens, things feel natural again. People tell me they stopped scanning for toilets without realizing it. They forgot to worry. And that's the key. Recovery feels like forgetting. Not effort, not pushing, just ease.
If that sounds impossible, it's not. Sarah and James are not alone. I've helped thousands of people do exactly this. If you're ready, I'll show you how.